What's going on, Jacob? It's your boy Jacob down here back here with another video. Sorry for not posting for a while. I haven't really found anything to unbox. I got this today, on 2x2. I already unboxed that, but today we got a new keyboard for my computer. We're gonna be unboxing it today for you guys. Alright, let's check it out. Ooh. Oh, it's mechanical. All of this sounded mechanical. Yeah, it's just a brand new keyboard. I thought about buying one of these for a while, so I don't have to continue using the one that I've been using. That one's starting to die. USB-C, not USB-C. This is a USB. A USB protection guide. But yeah, this is a nice new keyboard. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Oh, here's my puppy, by the way. Bubble. Look at him. He's so cute. Yeah. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. I will post eventually soon. Again. Probably a Rubik's Cube video. I don't know, but see you all in the next video when I do upload. Bye bye.